Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to Cloudflare Pages. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to dash.cloudflare.com. This is basically Cloudflare dashboard. You can navigate to cloudflare.com and log in using your user credentials to get here. Now, on the left side, you will see different options. Click on the Compute Workers option. Now, when you click on Compute Workers, you will see a drop down from which you'll have to choose Workers and Pages. And here, first of all, select your Pages project, then choose custom domain. So if you would have made any project on your Pages, you will see it just right here. Just select that project page and choose custom domains. Now, select set up a domain and provide the domain that you would like to serve your Cloudflare Pages site on and select continue. So it will look something like this. So you can click on custom domains, click on set up a custom domain, and after doing this, provide the domain that you would like to serve your Cloudflare Pages site on and select continue. After you do this, you would have successfully added a custom domain to Cloudflare Pages. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.